Want to start your own business but don't know where to begin? Starting a business is easier than ever if you follow the right steps. In this video, you will learn 5 simple yet powerful steps to turn your idea into a successful business with real examples and practical tips. Watch till the end to learn how to launch smart and grow fast. Step 1. Validate your idea before spending money. Before investing time and money, make sure people actually want your product or service. The best way is to validate your idea. Talk to at least 50 to 100 potential customers. Ask them about their biggest problem and see if your idea solves it. You can create a simple landing page, social media post, or basic prototype and ask for signups or pre-orders. If at least 10 to 20% of people show interest, that's a good sign. For example, a student in the US created a website for custom eco-friendly bottles, spent $100 on ads, and got 300 signups in a week. This showed demand before he even produced the bottles. Validating your idea reduces risk, saves money, and gives confidence to investors later. In 2025, global tools like Google Forms, Instagram polls, and AI-based surveys make it easier to test ideas across countries. Step 2. Make a simple but powerful business plan. Once your idea is validated, create a lean business plan. Keep it simple. Write down your target audience, the problem you solve, how you will make money, and estimated costs. Set clear goals like get 1,000 paying customers in 12 months or reach $10,000 monthly revenue by year 1. Add basic financials. For example, if your startup costs are $20,000 and you plan to sell your product for $50, you need 400 sales to break even. A short, clear plan is better than a long one that no one reads. Many startups fail because they skip planning and run out of money. With a plan, you'll know exactly how much money you need, how to spend it, and how to grow. Step 3. Register and legally protect your business. Every country has its own rules for starting a business, but the process is easier than ever in 2025. Choose a legal structure like an LLC, corporation, or partnership, depending on your country. Register your company online, get a tax ID, and open a separate business bank account. In some countries, you can register a company in less than 24 hours. For example, in the UK, you can form a company online for less than £50. Don't forget to protect your brand with a trademark if you plan to grow internationally. Having the right legal setup makes you look professional to customers, partners, and investors. It also protects you personally from business debts or legal issues. Step 4. Arrange funding and set up your finances. To start your business, you need money, but you don't always need a huge amount. Many people start small with personal savings or by working on their idea part-time. Other options are small business loans, crowdfunding, or angel investors. For example, if you need $50,000 to start, you can combine $10,000 of personal savings, $20,000 from a bank loan, and $20,000 from pre-orders. Open a business bank account and use accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero to track expenses and income. Always keep a 6-month cash reserve so you don't run out of money unexpectedly. Having clear finances makes it easier to get investors and grow faster. And Step 5. Launch, market, and scale internationally. Now it's time to launch. Build a professional website, social media pages, and start marketing through platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Short-form videos are trending globally and can bring huge reach at a low cost. Use targeted ads in different countries and test which market responds best. For example, if you spend $500 on ads and get 100 paying customers, your cost per customer is $5. That's a good sign to increase spending. Partner with influencers or bloggers in your niche to grow faster. Once you get stable sales in one country, expand to other regions by offering localized websites, different currencies, and payment options. Always track data, listen to customers, and keep improving your product. Businesses that adapt quickly are the ones that succeed globally. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to download the free Startup Advice Excel sheet from the link in the description. It will help you plan, track, and grow your business step by step. See you in the next video.